As the need for healthcare professionals grow, our high schools are working to prepare students for their future in the medical field. In this video, our team takes a look at some of the local high school health science and medical technology classes and their local industry partners. I'm Rich Duvarney, your superintendent of schools, and this is Our Future in Focus.
As positions continue to open in our local healthcare industry, our Tehama County high schools are working to ensure that their students are prepared for every opportunity that comes their way.
They're learning about healthcare careers, they're learning about fundamentals of anatomy and physiology, they're learning about therapeutic modalities, exercise science, nutrition, general employability. During the second semester, I placed them into job sites in the community, primarily physical therapy offices, medical clinics, chiropractic offices, the hospital, fire department.
We go over safety practices, infection control techniques, some patient care skills, taking vitals, making bed, transferring patients into wheelchairs, and then they get to go on some job observations.
In addition to learning about healthcare occupations, students are gaining valuable workforce experience, such as preparing resumes, applying for jobs, and interviewing.
We practice the resumes and cover letters. They do a mock interview to prepare them for a real interview that will happen in the spring. So in the spring semester, they get placed. They interview with a site supervisor, and then they start their placement. So they could be in the hospital at St. Elizabeth Community Hospital, in the different departments there, doctor's offices, dental offices, clinics, and so they work alongside real healthcare professionals, observing actual patients, seeing the techniques and the procedures that are used.
I really wanted to see what physical therapy and just sports medicine and training in general is like. What it's all about.
So I think that this class is really important. One, some students, they might have an idea of what they think a career looks like based on what they've seen on TV. A lot of times is what we get. They watch the medical shows, and so that's kind of what they think it's going to be like, and getting them out there in the field helps them to see what it's really like, and they can talk to actual healthcare professionals and just get some real hands-on experience and then decide if that's really what they want to do.
In our health occupations class, we learn how to take vitals. We learn how to take blood pressure, we learn how to interpret it, and we learn like the difference between like systolic and diastolic, and we also learn about the basic HIPAA laws and how we can apply them when we go to actually work in our jobs when we get older, and just kind of helps us get a step up so that we're more prepared for when we do get a job.
As high schools are developing their CTE courses, they're able to tailor their curriculum to provide hands-on learning that address region-specific jobs.
We've decided to offer a health pathway, specifically in patient care, and we're currently operating with a curriculum called Intro to Health Careers. It's with Paxton Patterson, and our goal of offering this intro level curriculum is to twofold. One, to expose students to all the different opportunities available for them in the healthcare industry, and secondly, with the goal of developing concrete in-depth partnerships with industry for student placement in externships, work-based learning opportunities, and so on and so forth.
And we partnered with Corning to help organize this event today to bring industry in so that students can really connect the dots. They start in the classroom where they get a chance to explore over 100 different careers, and then they learn about where they can get the training, where they can get hired, how much those jobs pay, and it allows them to then meet these people here from the college and from their local community healthcare providers so that they're real opportunities for them to move into the workforce.
This program really made us look at pharmacology, and it made us think of it as a career when we hadn't thought of it before.
This is veterinary medicine, and throughout this module we've learned how to draw blood from a dog's leg. Another thing we've learned is how to muzzle a dog for like if we have to do surgery. We've also learned different diseases.
It's been a really cool experience to learn more about our eyes and how to keep our eyes healthy, and to learn each part about them.
Through concrete industry partnerships, students have a first-hand look at the amazing career opportunities that exist right here in Tehama County.
These high schools partner with our hospitals in a way that allows students to come alongside and see what the day-to-day looks like in these various areas throughout the healthcare system. Anything from your nurses to your x-ray techs to even just registration, things as simple as communicating with your patients that are coming through the door. Students are able to come alongside those healthcare workers and really see what they do.
I'm a physical therapist, graduated in 2014 from UOP, graduated Red Bluff High School 2007. I started working here October 2014 at Physical Therapy and Wellness Center. I'd say take advantage of it and learn as much as you can from these programs because they're really important.
It's been a really good experience for the students. It's really neat. Many of the places when I go to check on students now, I'm checking on current students, but I'm talking to former students when I'm there because a lot of people have gotten jobs and they've stayed in the community.